Okay, people, this is gonna be a rack pull tutorial, okay guys? So what we're doing here is I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a rack pull. So if you don't know what a rack pull is, pretty much you start the bar below your knee or at your knee right here, and you can just pull up. I'm doing like a overextensive rack pull, right? But here's the plan. So first things first, when you go down to grab the bar, you're gonna arch your back backwards and then retract your scapula and then pull the weight up. And it's just normal, pretty much deadlift form. We're gonna add some weight to that joint, you hear me? And listen, next week, I might make another tutorial. It might be updated. This information might get updated. Okay. Okay, I don't have a belt, no wraps. So here's the excuses, you know what I'm saying? So, this can be a deadlift aka rack pull tutorial, you hear me? Okay. No belt, no belt. Okay, so we're going pretty much straight to 135, you know what I'm saying? Okay, go 95. Then you go 135. And this, okay. So pretty much the bar, 95, okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So now okay, is this still there? It's still running? Okay. So this tutorial has ended. This is just pretty much just me, we're about to do 225. Okay? Okay. Okay. So we'll see how many we can do. Alright, so rack pull deadlift tutorial, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shut it at me. Okay. Now we'll take a break for a second. So let me know over here. You know what, man? Okay. So here's the plan. I think we're just gonna do 225 here. We're just gonna stick with 225 on this. Yeah. Okay. 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 Alright, so we're just gonna do this for 5 and that's gonna be it. So remember, rack pull, start like your mid to knee range. You know what I'm saying? And you just grab that joint and you try to do like a deadlift. Okay people, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you leave like a like, a comment, subscribe. Let me know what movements you want to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, feel me, I can go more in depth with it, but that was just like a light tutorial, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to do too much, you feel me? Trying to check the waters. Gotta check the waters, you feel me? So y'all let me know what y'all think, you feel me?